And now it is over to none other than Mr. Vibin, who has years and years of experience in algo trading, years and years of experience in algo trading, who has tried and tested, got hit and come on top, and now he is the person behind the strategies that ensure that our customers get valuable profits. So he has conducted a lot of seminars, and I would suggest all of you to make use of this session, understand the strategies, especially that secret, magical, powerful strategy that contributed towards the 12% profits for our beloved customers last month. Over to you, Mr. Vibin, and thank you so much for having come in and stepped in over here. The stage is yours.
Thank you, Gio. Are the very basics of the stock market, and all these things, whatever she has told, should be followed in the stock market if you are doing it manually. So from Go Ahead Capital, what we have done is we have an world-class algo solutions for everything whatever she has said in her presentation. So here we have our own algo platform which will execute all our strategies, and all our strategies are time tested. For more than 7 years we have been testing our strategies, and we have back tested the strategies, and we have not left with only the back testing, and we have also forward tested all the strategies, and now they are running live. As a customer, we will provide you with all the strategies. So we will tell how the strategy is done, and it is up to you to do it on your own, or you can contact us to do the strategy. We will provide you an algo solutions, so that you do not put your brain or your time or anything. You have to just invest, and you will see your money growing. That's it. So this is the strategy which we are following here in Go Ahead Capital. So we will first go into the performance of the strategy, how our strategy is performed during the last 5 months on live trades. So this is the performance of our strategies for the past 5 months actually. So if you see, the strategy has already given more than 100% returns, and in our promotion or something, we tell that we have done only 12%, just to keep the expectation minimum. But if you see the real trades, it has already done 100% returns already in the past 5 months. And this is not for the past 5 months alone. We have seen the strategies working. It has been working for the past 7 years, and past 7 years it has been always profitable. So now we will see what is the thing we are doing to that is applied in our strategy. See, if you take a market, there can be only 3 stands of market. The market can move upwards, downwards, or it may be a sideways. So we as an option seller, we have more edge because we have the benefit of the market going sideways or on our favor. See, if you are designing a strategy, maybe an upward strategy or a downward strategy, if you are an option seller, you will have a benefit of both the market going sideways or either up or down. The only possibility is that when it goes totally against you, that is where you lose your money. So as an option seller, you have the benefits of 2 things, and as an option buyer, we have only one benefit. So we take the benefit as an option seller. And another major thing which we are banking upon is the theta decay. You know that always option is going to expire worthless on Thursdays. So we know that the theta decay is definitely going to happen day on day. Day in, day out, the theta decays happen, and we are banking upon the theta decay. And that is our major secret that we are having. And this idea we have put it into our strategies. So how we are executing the idea? So we don't worry about the market going down or up. We do not watch any news channels or any technical ideas or charts or anything. We know that the market can go anywhere, maybe a upper side or lower side, anywhere. So we know that market we maintain our strategies are non-directional. We do not worry about the market is going up or down. So ours is a non-directional view strategy, and we have exact already I have mentioned that we have taken the edge of an option seller, and we sell options at a particular time and exit at a particular time. This is our strategy. So the basic thing what I have told you, by this time you would have known that it is a straddle we are using in our option thing. And we are selling, you know that what is a straddle. A straddle is nothing but we are selling at the money P and C at the same time. Suppose if you are taking a time as 11 o'clock, at 11 o'clock we are selling the ATM. 11 o'clock is just an example. We are selling at the money P and C of the same strike price, that is the straddle, at the same time. So this is usually many people follow, but what we are making difference is that we are maintaining a variable stop losses according to the market conditions, based on the market condition and our back testing results. We have the back test results of 7 years to 8 years on how the market will go if such in different kinds of market condition, and what is the stop loss that will work out when you are using at a particular time. So that is the difference that makes from the other strategies. And we also have, other than the stop loss for the legs, we also have strategy level stop loss. That means the combined loss should not go out of the certain percentage. We know from our back testing results that when does a strategy turn into profitable from a loss. So we know that levels, and we maintain that strategy levels for our straddle. So at any point of view, you would not have a loss of more than 4,000. So this is like that we have some strategy stop loss for each and every strategies. So this is our strategy, and we are doing these straddles at the different times with the different stop losses and with the different level of strategy level stop losses. So this is our secret. This is the thing we are following, and this is some of the live example how our strategy performed in the bull market and the bear market that I am showing here. It is one of the bearish days, and you can see our strategy has earned a profit of 3,200 and 3,233 on an investment of 75,000. So this is a condition on a bear market, and this you can see it is one of the day of the bull market. And at this time also our strategies have earned a profit of 4,444 rupees on an investment of 75,000. So this is the performance. Since it is a non-directional strategy, we do not have bias on a bull market or a bear market. It does its work properly, and anything that is done in our strategy is not humanly done. It is done by our algos, which are programmed and stored in the cloud, which helps us in placing the order consistently, and there is no emotion involved. There's no people involved in it, so there's no emotion involved in it. So this is how our strategy performed in the bull market and the bear market. And this is the equity curve that you are seeing, that is for the past 4 months. So here if you see, the equity curve will not be as a straight. Any equity curve, it cannot be straight. So what retail people or many people will do, whenever the equity curves fall here, 99% will exit the strategies. So since we are trading with algo, and based upon our back test, we know that our strategy is going to perform very well. So we have continuously so we are continuously working to bring the strategies. So if you are quitted at the bottom here, so you would have not reaped the profits here. So this is what we want to tell you, that being a consistently doing a strategy without any emotions will feel profitable. 99% of the people will quit at this place itself. Since we are using algo and no emotion is involved, we are continuing the strategy, and our strategy is profitable for more than 100%. So this is the secret of the strategy. And now we're taking into how our module works. The investment should be in the multiples of 1,50,000, and we take care of your complete portfolio from opening of your account to demat account, completely handling your portfolio in Algo, and all the trading will be happening only in your account, and you can withdraw your amount at any point of time, and you do not to share any of your profit to us. So this is our module. This is how our module works. So we do not take any share of your profits, and the only benefit we have from you is on the brokerage part, which we will say to open a broker account with ourselves. That is the only thing you have to do, and we give all the strategies and everything to you at a free of cost. Only the brokerages is the only thing you pay to us. And just for your information, this is the returns that the top rated mutual funds have delivered. The maximum returns that it has given is 13% is the maximum return that a mutual fund has delivered, that too over the 1 year or 3 years. And this is the top rated FD returns that has been delivered. It may be a 5.4% like that for tenure of 10 years like that. And if you see our strategy for 5 months, it has given a return of 100%, which is really good compared to all these things. And even if it delivers at least 20% of the return in a year, that is a very, very great strategies. So it's this is our strategy performance for the past 2 years. This is a live performance, and you can see how the strategies has performed with the investment of 75,000. It has earned somewhere around 2,35,000 in the past year, and this year we expect it to be more than this, because it has already crossed 100%. So now we have told whatever we have, and it's up to you to take action. So you can join with us, and you can become a winning trader without using your any of your sources like your brain, or you need not to look at the charts, you need not to look at the news or anything. You can just invest and see your money growing. So that's all from my side. If any questions are there, I will be very happy to answer. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Vipin. It was an amazing, as usual, insightful and very useful presentation towards a profitable trading experience. So Virat has asked, sir, can you explain Bollinger Band, which is plotted in the graph?
No, the Bollinger Band just it is an indicator. It works based on the standard deviation. So it is a 1 sigma standard deviation is there, and 2 sigma, 3 sigma standard deviation is there. So it works on the basis of the standard deviation. So it has basically 2 bands actually. So it has 2 bands actually. This is called the Bollinger Band. It works on the standard deviation. Basically, it has an upper Bollinger Band and a lower Bollinger Band, and it based on the standard deviation it works. So it takes a lot of efforts for a candle to cross above this Bollinger Band, since it is the standard deviation. So we can also adjust it to 2 standard deviation. If it is 2 standard deviation, the candle will never go out or come. So we can form a strategy using the Bollinger Band. This is the middle Bollinger Band. This is the 20 SMA band actually. So we can form strategy using this in a different way. That is there is altogether a different concept, and it takes at least a minimum of 2 to 3 hours to explain it fully. So this is the basics of the Bollinger Band.
Great. Okay. So our next question is by Ehsan. Is there any capital guarantee or no loss guarantee with your algo?
Well, see, we can give capital protections. Our strategies will not go under a loss of more than 3,500 per day. So we know that how profitable our strategies are, and how much the losing streak is. The losing streak is maximum of 4 to 5 days continuous losing streaks will be there. So that is what our expectancy from our algo. So you can be very sure that your capital is protected.
Okay, great. Hope that's answered your question, Ehsan. The next question is by Sagar. Which is the best indicators we use for intraday trading?
No, basically we are against the indicators. Actually, we trade only on algos based upon our back testing results. But there are many indicators, and all the indicators works mostly on the moving averages. So if you are having a good knowledge on moving averages itself, it is a very good strategy you can bank upon.
Great. Mr. Sai Shravan, you have requested information on how you can open an account with us and how much should you invest, and many more questions from different attendees based on joining with us and subscribing to our services. We have taken note of all those requests, and our experts will get in touch with you either by end of day or by tomorrow to take you through opening the account procedure with Go-It Capital. Moving on. Yes, from Virat again. Sir, can you explain your strategy that back tested for options?
No, yes, I have told what we have back tested the strategies on straddles, and all the strategies we trade only on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So these are the things we have traded and back tested, and all the strategies we are sharing and doing are also with regard to the Bank Nifty and Nifty only.
Okay. And I've got another question from Dinesh. Is the target booked only on the expiry day, or is it booked at our convenience?
Whenever you can see profits, you can also book, but we feel that it is not advisable to book like that. Our algos will take care of everything, and we do not book profits only on the expiry day. We do it on a daily basis. Expiry day is also a part of our trading.
Great. So Ehsan has another question. So short straddle on daily basis with Nifty and BNF ?
Yes. It is the we have already told that we are doing a short straddle on Nifty and Bank Nifty on daily basis with a certain stop losses that has been back tested. On different days we use different stop losses, and different times we use different stop losses. That's it.
Okay. And moving on, Naveen has a question. If I have 30,000 rupees in capital, any strategy is available for low capital trader?
Yes, we do have some strategies in actually shares that you can do contacting our team.
Great. So can you just spend a few minutes and tell us about that magical strategy that contributed, or what is the secret or secrets to our profitable trading experience for our customers? Just a few minutes, if you don't mind, please.
See, the first thing which we are following is an algo based. So from that itself, we are taking out all our emotions and other thing. And second thing is being consistent. And since we are going with an algo based strategy, it is a consistent one. And since the orders are placed in algos, the slippage is also minimum. And second thing, we have done back testing. We have done back testing for more than 7 to 8 years. And this back testing, we know that certain strategies are profitable only in a certain days and certain time. So we bank upon those strategies. And these are the secrets. This everything we have told already. So this is the secret of what the strategies we are doing. And we are doing just this short straddle on Nifty and Bank Nifty.
Great, Mr.